Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I would like to share with you how you can kick off 2019 with some vision board life goals. Basically, a vision board, for those of you who do not know, is literally any sort of board where you take images from magazines or images from Google search engine or drawings or personal pictures, and you cluster them on your board. There are pictures and images and words that help you clarify or even focus on goals that you would like to see in the year. Okay, so that's basically and literally what a vision board is. It helps you focus on those goals. It helps you visually see those goals and manifest those goals and help bring them to life. How do you create a vision board? Some of you may want to know. Basically, you could take any sort of board. Here behind me is my vision board, one of my vision boards for 2019. Another thing is you can have as many vision boards as you need to have, but you don't want to overdo the vision boards because you don't want to have a laundry list of things that you need to attain in the year and overwhelm yourself. So only do as much as you think that you can complete in the year. Okay, basically put the vision board is a foam board here. You can pick them up from your Dollar Tree. They're usually $1 or two for $1, and you collect those images that I told you about from magazines. Find images that only evoke those feelings of discernments and things that you would like to see come to pass for the year. Things that you see your life goals, far as if you say you want to lose weight and you see a lady on there who is exercising. If you see that picture and that picture evokes better health or weight loss to you, then cut it out and place it on your board. You don't want to see an image and it doesn't evoke the feelings that you're trying to achieve and put it on your board. You don't want that. We don't want to manifest things that we can't see come to pass. We don't want that. So do not put that on your board. Only put images that evoke the feelings and the life goals that you want to achieve. I cannot stress that enough. We want a vision board that is going to be able to manifest and to truly work. So this is very important. So you need to write down your discernments of feelings and life goals so you can have a clear vision of what it is that you are wanting to achieve and to bring to pass in your life. So once you have that list written down, then you want to take your poster board and all of your supplies that you would need to create it. And the supplies that you would need to create your poster board, of course, is a board of some sort. You will also need some scissors, some glue. I like using the glue sticks because it's not messy. And you can use Google Images, magazines where you take clippings of images out of them. You can use the little wordings and the stickers or anything like that, anything you want to adorn your board with. Okay, as you can see, my 2019 is kind of blinged out for some bling stickers. You can just create a visual world of beauty with your vision board. That is the whole aspect of the vision board. You want to be visually pleasing to you. You want a board that when you see it, it wants you to look at it, you know, and it emits happiness and joy and it resonates with you. So you definitely want something that you are wanting to see. Don't put anything on your board that you don't want to see. Don't put anything on your board that is negative. Don't put anything on your board that you don't think that you can achieve. Okay, so once you have all of those supplies, you sit down. If you want to host a party, grab your family, your friends, whoever it is, call your girlfriends over, tell them to bring a little snack, bring a bottle of wine, or you can host it and you can have all of those things and you guys sit around. Find a place that is very comfortable and sacred to you. Sacred, I mean a place that is comfortable, no negativity, only positive vibes. Comfortable meaning you need space to stretch out and be able to place all of your clippings and your boards, you know, be able to move around freely. So a great space in your home could be like the dining room table or an open space on the floor. definitely great places where you can do a vision board if you are hosting a crowd. Now, if you're going to be creating a vision board by yourself, there are various places where you can create your board. Just make sure it's a place where you are feeling very positive and you are feeling open to things, okay? You want a space like that. That's what I mean when I say a sacred, comfortable place. So once you have that and you have your girlfriends or you're doing it by yourself, whatever the case may be, and you have your snacks, your wine, and you have your magazine clippings, and you have your list of discernments, list of things that you want to bring to life in the new year. So your goals, your aspirations, whether it's feelings or travels or any type of life goals that you want to have that written down on a piece of paper or mentally put in your head so you can know what you are looking for and what you need to clip out in the magazines, or if you're going to do Google search images so you can know what to type in and pull up, okay? So you can print those out and cut them out as well and put them on your board. You can also do personal pictures in your home if you have personal photos, family photos, and it brings a certain emotion to you, or it is an image that is something that you want to achieve, then put it on your board, okay? You only want to put things that are positive things that you want to achieve, create, or evokes a positive feeling from you on your board. No negativity allowed. No negativity in your space when you're creating your board. No negative images. No images that make you feel like you're less than or that you can't aspire to achieve it or anything like that. You don't want any images or words on your board that evoke those type of feelings. So be sure to only put things on your board that you know that you can truly aspire to achieve without negatively thinking that you cannot, okay? So have all of that, get your clippings, put them on your board with your glue sticks. You need your scissors, and I think I told you guys that stuff. Well, you're gonna need all those things, and you just sit back and relax and just place those pictures on the board. Sip your beverage of choice. Me and my girlfriends, we did wine, we had snacks, little light snacks, we chatted, we listened to music. You can do whatever you like. Some people like to burn certain incense, some people like to sage. I like to sage my board as well. And also you can say a little prayer, a little chant, whatever you want to do that helps you manifest your goals and bring them to life when you're creating your board. And you can do this during the creation of your board. You can do this after the creation of your boards. As far as the prayer and the chants, it's up to you. It is a personal choice whether you want to do that or not and when you would like to do it. So once you have all of your clippings out and you've align them on your board, as you can see here behind me is my 2019, one of my 2019 boards, and you can have more than one board for the year. I do suggest that you can do more than one because the boards is not that big, and if you have a lot of goals that you want to achieve and you know that you can possibly achieve them because you do want some attainable goals, it's okay to have a lot of goals and stuff like that, but you don't have to try to attain them all at once. Basically what I'm trying to say is you don't want to have so many goals that you're overwhelmed by them and you have this laundry list of goals that you have to try to frantically work around and achieve, and you begin to feel overwhelmed because you feel like you're not achieving those goals. You don't want to do that though, okay? So be mindful of that. Don't overdo it, okay? We still have plenty more time to create and achieve goals in our life. So grab you some goals, put the pictures on there, and if you notice how I've put my pictures on my board, they are kind of sporadic. They're all over the place. And this may be difficult to do for the very organized person who may want to categorize them like boom, 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 like glue them down like that. Now, if that is visually pleasing to you, by all means, go ahead and do that. I do find it to be a little bit more eye-pleasing when the board is a little bit more like over the place, all over the place. When the words are big, the words are small, the pictures are big, the pictures are small. You have vibrant pictures, you know, just different things, and you have all this extra little in-between stuff like the little blingy and stuff like that. And you don't have to put bling on there, but I'm just saying, make your board visually pleasing to you, because you don't want a board that is dry, boring, and you don't even want to look at it. That defeats the purpose as well. You also want a board that is visually pleasing, that you want to look at, that draws you in and makes you look at your pictures and words that you put on there that are your life goals and aspirations and things, and it helps you focus on them and reminds you that these are the goals that I am trying to achieve for the year. This is what I want. This is what I need to be doing. And it's just a friendly reminder, basically. And you want to manifest it and put it out there in the world, and you're doing that with that visual board, okay? And you can't just get the visual board and just not do anything about it. You have to do more than just clippings. You got to do more than just pasting. You also have to manifest these things. You have to speak them into existence. You have the visual boards, you're putting them out there. Now you have to try to write down discernments on how you can achieve these goals, okay? And you have to work to achieve these goals. You can't just create your board and boom boom, put it out there and it's going to manifest and it's going to come to life. No ma'am, you have got to also work to bring those goals to life, okay? So you also want a active discernment list. What can I do to bring these goals to life? What do I need to do? How can I, you know, those kind of things. And do know that when you're doing that, you're going to run into blocks. And when I say blocks, I mean like trials, tribulations, or whatever. And that is normal. Do know that you're not doing anything wrong. Don't think that that goal that you are trying to achieve is not for you. Don't think that. Blocks and trials and tribulations or all that type of stuff is part of transformation. It is part of the game, you guys. So don't give up. Just figure out why you are feeling that emotion. Why are you feeling like this particular goal I can't achieve? Write it down. Figure out why you're feeling that. Work to heal from it. Figure out why you are feeling that way. And then go and achieve your goal. Keep pushing forward. Trust the process, okay? Trust the process. You've got to do that. So with that being said, you guys, that is how you create a board for the New Year's. It is a easy thing to do for as creating it. Maybe not such a easy thing to do to bring it into manifestation and to bring it to life, but don't give up. Remember, like I said, to trust the process, okay? So I hope that I have been of some assistance to you guys. And if you have any questions, by all means, you can leave them down in the comment section down below, and I would so happily respond and answer in the best way that I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you all the success and love and clarity and all the goodness in your life in 2019. I hope you guys have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, go on and click that subscribe button right down below. Give me a thumbs up if you thought that this video was helpful, and share with a friend. All right? So until the next time, you guys, I love you all. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.